Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 ways to make money with a credit card. So make sure to watch the full video. What if I told you that you can make money with your credit card? Sure, credit cards can be a weapon of financial destruction if you don't know how to use them properly. But if you've ever paid interest on your credit card balance, you're doing it all wrong. Did you know you can invest your cashback rewards? That's right. I'm going to tell you 10 outrageous ways you can use your credit card to make money. 1. Pay off your credit card balance every month. If you're going to be a true credit card hack master, you need to stop paying interest immediately. You're not going to make any money if you carry a balance month to month. Your financial gains will get wiped out by the interest charges. Let's debunk the credit card myth once and for all. You do not need to carry a balance to build your credit score. Start paying your balance off every month within the grace period. Every credit card offers an interest-free grace period, typically 21 days or so. Read the fine print on your credit card agreement and pay your purchases off in full within their defined interest-free period. 2. Track your credit card spending. The only way to pay off your credit card balance every month is to budget. Tracking your spending is critical if you're going to reap any rewards. You also don't want to hurl yourself into debt. The rules of this game are simple and finite. Make a budget, live within your means, track your spending. 3. Take advantage of balance transfer offers. If you're already carrying credit card debt and can't pay it off in full next month, you need to take care of that balance if these tricks are going to work. Fear not, we have a hack for that too. $1 of interest paid is $1 too much. Transfer your balance and start saving money immediately. There are plenty of credit cards out there that offer low or no interest charges on balance transfers as part of their sign-up bonus. Right now, the Scotiabank Value Visa card offers an introductory 0.99% interest rate on balance transfers for the first 6 months. Simply put, sign up, transfer a balance from another card to the new one, and enjoy a low or no interest promotional period anywhere from 3 months to a year depending on the offer. Then focus on aggressively paying off that balance before the special rate expires. You'll end up paying it off significantly faster and save yourself a ton of money on interest charges. If you still have a balance owing when the promotional period is up, find another card with a balance transfer deal. Just make sure you do it before your promo period ends so you don't get charged a dime of interest. Repeat this process until you've paid it off in full. 4. Invest your cashback rewards in a tax-sheltered investment account. If your cashback points show up in your bank account, simply move that money into your investment account like your tax-free savings account, TFSA, or Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP. Yes, it blew my mind too. The only thing better than free money is free money that makes more free money. All those cashback rewards will be issued to you in one of 2 ways: a credit onto your card or a cash deposit into a linked bank account. For example, Tangerine deposits cashback rewards from their credit card into their client's linked Tangerine bank account, while others will process a deposit onto the credit card itself. 5. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. If you have decent credit and never carry a balance, start hunting for lucrative sign-up bonuses. Just make sure the type of rewards align with your spending habits, lifestyle, and the things you love. If a card offers an incredible deal on something you value, go for it. Sign up. Get yours. But pay close attention to the fine print. Often, there will be conditions attached to the offer like get up to $300 in cashback rewards when you spend $2,500 in the first 3 months. That means you need to spend $2,500 in 3 months in specific spending categories in order to get that money. Make sure that fits with your budget and spending habits. Also, ensure you can pay it all off in full. And confirm that the merchants who sell the things in those spending categories actually accept the card. Personally, I hate traveling far from home, especially with my tiny humans. Flying with small children is a fool's errand. I like to eat, sleep, and repeat. Cards that offer competitive cash back rewards on groceries and dining out are right up my alley. Give me that plastic. 6. Use your credit card with cashback apps. If you're not double-dipping cashback rewards, you're doing this all wrong. We already talked about the cashback rewards the credit card issuer gives you. But now we need to talk about using your credit card to purchase items through cashback apps. Double that income stream or go home. Hopefully, you've heard of cashback apps like Rakuten or Checkout 51. With these apps, you make money by purchasing goods and services through their affiliate merchants. You do this either through an app, a browser extension, or by uploading your receipts. There's a new app on the block called Drop that allows you to connect your credit card. By using your credit card to shop through Drop, you'll get cashback rewards from the card issuer and drop points from the app that you can spend at all your favorite retailers. PayMe offers the same credit card linking feature, and you can transfer your cashback balance to your personal bank account. 7. Earn more credit card rewards with a supplementary card. You've mastered the double dip. But did you know you can triple dip? Be still, my heart. If you really want to level up, think about getting a supplementary card for a partner, significant other, or even a child within reason. Just make sure to choose someone you know you can trust. They will be given their own card and authorized to make purchases, but the account is in your name, and you are 100% solely responsible for the payments. Having said that, 2 is better than 1. If you can double up spending, you can fully maximize all the rewards that card has to offer. Make sure you're both on the same page about the budget, how and where you spend, and which cashback apps to use. 8. Take advantage of in-store cashback promotions. Forget those sketchy secret shopper spam emails. I am going to tell you the only legitimate way to make money shopping. Use your cashback credit card to shop at affiliate stores when they offer rewards promotions. How many times have you seen, get 3x the air miles rewards when you shop at insert store here? Those deals are amazing, but they're not reserved for air miles maximalists. 9. Use the free insurance and warranty offers on your credit card. If you've ever bought an extended warranty, you've been had by the man. Almost all credit cards, I repeat, almost all credit cards offer some sort of free travel medical insurance and extended warranties on goods purchased with the card. While the types of insurance and warranties differ from card to card, I can guarantee you have coverage for something. Some cards offer supplementary car rental insurance. Others offer free travel medical insurance or trip cancellation insurance when you book with that credit card. And many of them offer extended warranty coverage on items you purchase with the card. Sometimes that coverage is even better than what the merchant or manufacturer offers. I wish I had known that before replacing my laptop that died within a year of purchase. Live and learn. The BMO Cashback World Elite MasterCard offers some of the best purchase protection on the market. They'll pay for items that have been damaged, lost, or stolen within 180 days of purchase, and they extend the manufacturer's warranty by up to 2 years. 10. Get paid to refer your friends. Word-of-mouth recommendations are the best form of advertising for any company. If you love your cashback credit card, then cash in your passion. Some credit cards offer additional cashback bonuses when you refer a friend. Simply spread your personal referral code along with all that credit card love. If one of your friends uses your code to sign up, you'll both get extra perks. If you've already been singing their praises, stop working for free. Volunteer for your favorite charitable organization, not your credit card company. Contact your credit card issuer to find out if they offer any referral incentives. Grab your code and start making money off your friends without sliding into their DM to sell cringy diet supplements. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.